automotive industry continues to evolve with the implementation of zonal architectures, bringing more flexibility, higher reliability, and improved diagnostics to modern-day vehicles. Zonal architecture allows more intelligent and distributed power, communication, and control networks to better manage power flow, response time, communication delays, and software updates. With this shift, vehicles now have an optimized wiring harness solution that reduces the weight and cost of the vehicle. In addition to more efficient and timely communication and control, electronic power distribution will provide hundreds of channels of power delivery with diagnostics and data not possible in previous generations, addressing the increased functional safety needs of vehicles. Renesas' broad portfolio has the technology to optimize harness sizing, communication, and control for zonal applications. Supporting enhanced diagnostics and a variety of automotive communication interfaces allow users to build ISO 26262-based solutions that minimize energy consumption and streamline vehicle networks. Our intelligent power devices, or IPDs, with technology to replace mechanical fuses, provide diagnostics, empowering designers to reduce wire size, vehicle weight, and cost, while improving the end-user experience. Renesas IPDs have both compatible pinouts and small package options, scaling from 1 to N channels to ease development and provide configurability while facilitating zonal power distribution with diagnostics. GreenPack simplifies the supply chain, delivering compact and cost-optimized zonal designs through integration of functions. The highly scalable RH850 MCU family provides a range of core processing options, pin counts, memory, peripherals, and strong security for different architectures. Powered by a Renesas PMIC to accelerate time to market for zonal applications. Explore our Zone ECU virtualization solution to see how Renesas combines recommended products into a system solution that accelerates your development. Join the Renesas engineering community at community.renesas.com to discuss technical issues with Renesas product experts. Find the products suitable for your next zonal development at www.renesas.com/automotive-products.